Okay, so this is the grading project. There's going to be a concrete pad here in front of these doors that extends to about here, right here. Currently the water flows downhill this way and then to the left. So what we need to do is level this off, level that off. We want to put a trench, like a small ditch in there, like a mini swale almost, to a culvert up by that tree, shoot it across the front into the lowlands on the other side of the building to stop this from getting muddy. So set you up once I unload and get to work. So kind of have it graded pretty good now. We have a little low spot right here to fill in, but we just shot it with the laser and everything is sort of leaning in the right direction now. This ending is a little ugly here. I don't like this, but it's not too important. So currently we are going down and then away from the building along this ditch here. Well, it's going to be a ditch, and I got to take some off by the skid steer up there. We got to take some off. We're gonna take it off, bring that back here. I don't know if you, it's kind of like in a shadow, so it's hard to see a grade when it goes from sunlight to shadow back to sunlight. But there is a low spot right here that we're standing in. But yeah, looks pretty good. We have this very pretty fill dirt, if you want to call it that. It's a lot of clay. Look at that. That's beautiful. These make snowballs. This is gonna pack down good. It spreads really easy too. The concrete pad is gonna be 4 inch, that goes here. It's gonna be 4 inches deep, 20 feet long, and it's like a 10-to-1 grade on that. So it's very shallow. So I'm assuming that if I just leave it alone, I don't really touch it. Concrete guys are gonna take dirt from up there, bring it down here pretty much, then put the excess around the edge and kind of blend it in. Kind of hard to blend it. It's kind of hard to put the dirt there before the concrete's done, but it's starting to look good.